for today. So not much really going on. We're sort of all over the place at the moment, and I don't think I have many trades coming up this week, but we'll run through them quickly. So the first one is Euro USD. Now this level here, this previous high, has been breached. Not convincingly, but now we have a double top over here, and you can see this last 8-hour bar. That's a pretty bearish bar. Trend is still up. Logically, I would be looking in this area here. Let's get the other level in because there are two distinct levels here. And the other one is pretty much right there. Okay, so I'd be looking in this area. 113699 is the first level, and the next level down is 113461. That's kind of the two areas that I'd be paying attention to for an opportunity to get long. And as you can see, we have had a pin bar off here, pretty much after hours trading. So I'll wait and see what transpires in this area. So definitely something that's interesting me at the moment. But yeah, just based on what's happening on the indexes, I think I'm a little bit cautious as to what could be. But remember, we've still got this big cup and handle here. So here's your cup, here's your handle, inverse cup and handle, breakout, and we're having a retest of this. So that does make a lot of sense to come down into this area with a stop below the swing low. I'm looking for a long and anticipating a break of the upside. Last thing on this pair, we have a channel. Okay, that could be seen as a flag. Channel doesn't matter, as a consolidation pattern, and it's probably going to continue through today. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. So I saw some Swiss francs being bought yesterday on a number of the pairs, as well as Japanese yen. It's just a retracement. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Looking at this area here of 065846. And you can see we bounced off it quite nicely, and pretty much similar situation here. We have a channel. Okay, so we'll watch this to see what happens. Let's see if we come back to form a double bottom, or alternatively come back and form a higher low somewhere around here. Okay, 065945, alternatively 065846. Anything like that, then I'd be looking to get into this thing long. This has been 1, 2, 3, so it's an ABC correction at the moment. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for there. Looking for a breakout, for an opportunity long on this pair. Euro Swiss franc, we had this massive move to the upside, and we're kind of retracing there. The levels are scattered all over the place, and I think the first one that I want to pay attention to is this one. If you look on the left of the screen here, you can see a lot of interaction there all the way through. So that makes the most sense for me. If we don't pull back that far, then we'll have to wait and see. But that is the area that I'm looking at, 107325. Okay, as I say, if we don't pull back that far, then we'll look for another structure. So it'll be a break above, for example, this area here. Put a level in so you can see it. So a break and retest of 107684 would be the next opportunity. But again, another channel forming. Okay, so a lot of them forming. So I think it's safe to say that these are retracements happening, and we need to be looking for the opportunities. Euro New Zealand dollar. Now, bear in mind that this is been a long-term downtrend. We've created a new high here, but obviously we need another new high here, and that's pretty much from this area here. Okay, so we need to get above 175825. Okay, the other area that we are busy testing right now is going to be around here. That is another valid area to be looking at. And if we just come to the hour, you'll see we didn't quite come down and test any of these levels at the moment. So what you can do is just look for opportunities. There's one there. Okay. And there will be another one just a little bit low like that. And then I'm just going to move this level up to there. Okay, so we have bounced off a level, we've bounced up, haven't created a higher high, we've been coming down at the moment, so this is still lower lows. But what we're looking for is some kind of support to be found. Okay, and then a move to the upside. One thing just to watch out for this pair is look at all this indecision. Okay, so just be careful. A lot of indecision as to what's going on at the moment. So you can see it very evident in the price. And you also have a trend line here, which I'd also like to see break before committing too much. So whatever trade I put in on this pair is going to be very small capital risk. And lastly, US dollar Japanese yen. So on the 8 hour, you can see we're pretty much in this very narrow range. What I'm interested in at the moment is this level. So you can see this 107.344 has been respected many times. Okay, and we've come back into this area and we've bounced off it. You can see we've come back into this, we've bounced off it, and we're coming down the downside. Currently the smaller trend is to the upside, so it would be interesting to see what transpires here. If we can get some price action here, some bullish price action at 107.170, then I would anticipate a move to the upside. This sort of selling the dollar and buying the yen here, going into the close, well, during yesterday, while there was chaos on the index, well, not really chaos, but indecision on the index, just leads me to wonder whether we do have the bears trying to make a play here. But anyway, the trend is up on the indexes, so I'll just continue trading with that trend. Right now, I think this is the range that we need to break out. This may offer a bit of value here. It's higher highs, these are higher highs and higher lows. We're in a channel like that. Okay, so the next logical move is up, creating a new high. So that's kind of the way that I'd look at this. Basically, I'd wait for the next hour or so to play out before I make a play on this pair. Okay, anyway guys, that's my Forex pairs at the moment. Bit of a mixed bag. Very possible that we're just going to go sideways as well. But yeah, let's see if we can get some structure. We get structure, there are opportunities. If there's no structure, then it's a long weekend. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.